right back into the sous vide with some chicken leg quarters. I have them vacuum sealed. They came from the supermarket with some southwestern seasoning on there. I added additional seasoning, salt, kosher salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. So we're going to go ahead and set this down in the sous vide. I might have to take some water out of there and move things around. We'll see. Hot pot. Afternoon, folks. Grandpa Greenwald. Yesterday, I took these Southwest. We've been cooking on these for several days now, but yesterday I took these chicken legs out of the sous vide and let them cool down and put them in the fridge. So what we're going to do today, we're going to warm these. I've preheated the Dutch oven and the lid for it. In the oven at 200 and 225 degrees or something like that. So it's preheated, it'll come up to temperature pretty quick. So we'll see if we can get all of these down in here. They have all of the natural juices, everything that was with them, including the seasoning I put on them, and the seasoning that came with them originally from the supermarket. So, all right, we got the warm lid. We didn't add any cooking oil or anything like that. I'm going to put this in the oven for about 35 minutes at 375 degrees. 375 degrees, 35 minutes. All righty, we'll be back in a few minutes and show you what we come up with. I think it's going to be yummy, yummy, yummy. All right, Tasha, hot pot, hot pot. All righty, let's see what we have. You can see that I'm ready here. I'm ready. Whoa. Wow. Looks like they warmed all the way through. Perfect. Just what I wanted. Let me move this out of the way and we'll see if we can give it a taste here real quick. I hear Tasha over there rumbling around. There you go. That's better. All right. Let's see what we have. What is this? Pulling apart. Certainly warmed all the way through. It's just a baby bit of pink right there. Let's see what that's all about. This is really, really good. If you remember, or actually it should be, I had a clip that I shot when we first put it in. These were frozen solid. They were in a long package from the supermarket. It had seasoning on the top, but they were frozen solid. I was able to get the absorbent pad off the back and vacuum seal and straight down into the sous vide, frozen for, I believe it was 9.5 hours, maybe have been 8.5 hours. Yummy, yummy, yummy. My wife made some delicious jalapeno poppers. Those are good too. That's going to be good too. Thanks for coming by, folks.